Good morning, this is an elite hay feeder from Willie's. It's made in Australia, Warrnambool. It's got a wide chassis, so it's very stable. The other one's only got a single one. Box to put your net wrap or plastic in. You can adjust your chains, but a lot of them you can't adjust your chains. You've got to buy all new chains. If you do bend one of these, you just replace it with the bolts here, just there. See your Y shape. The chassis comes down through there, so it's a lot more stable. This one, the chains go above the chassis, so you're not, if you're running over blackberries or rocks, you're not bending these. And you can adjust them up here, so if they do stretch a bit, you can adjust them. This model's got the wide wheels on it, so it doesn't compact the ground, and in the mud and along the road, it's a lot better because it doesn't bounce. That pulls that so you can adjust your chain, where like you can't. It's got your mud guards, big industrial bearings and big heavy axles, and your wide wheels. That's an option. You can get narrow wheels like that one. It's nice and simple to back into them, and that's on bearings, so the bale rolls onto there, straight in. And you can cart another bale on the back. It's very very strong. And there's your little bearings there that roll down for your table once your bale hits it. All your bearings have got grease nipples. Grease nipples on your wheels. Grease nipples all on these. Down over here. And a hydraulic ram. Big heavy axle. And this one, for some of them, you can go both ways. So if you put a bale on back to front, you can go backwards or forward. And that can't come down because of this and hit the chassis. This is good. A lot of them, they've all got keyways in here because people get net wrap and stuff tangled around here. It's got a keyway in it, so if it breaks, the keyway, all you do is unclip it, pull your hydraulic motor off, pop it back on and put a new keyway in it. They've all got keyways. You adjust your height here, be at different heights to your tractors. You just have them leaning forward just a little bit, so the bale runs to the front.